Question is, a steel wire is drawn from an initial diameter di of 10 mm to a final diameter df of 7.5 mm. The half cone angle alpha of the die is 5 degree and the coefficient of friction mu between the die and the wire is 0.1. The average of the initial and final yield stress sigma y average is 350 megapascal. The equation for drawing stress sigma f in megapascal is given as sigma f equal to sigma y average into 1 plus 1 by mu cot alpha into 1 minus df by di the whole squared 2 mu cot alpha. The drawing stress in megapascal required to carry out this operation is option A 220 megapascal, option B 158.85 megapascal, option C 316.25 megapascal and option D 452.15 megapascal. देखिए एक इस क्वेश्चन में एक स्टील वायर है जिसको ड्रॉ किया गया है, जिसमें इक्वेशन ऑफ ड्राइंग स्ट्रेस दिया हुआ है हम लोगों को. इसमें कुछ वैल्यूज दी हुई है जैसे इनिशियल डायमीटर, फाइनल डायमीटर, हाफ कोन एंगल ऑफ द डाई 5 डिग्री, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन की वैल्यू दी हुई है. उसके बाद एवरेज ऑफ द इनिशियल एंड फाइनल यील्ड स्ट्रेस भी दिया हुआ है 350 मेगापास्कल. हमें फाइंड आउट करना है सिग्मा एफ की वैल्यू, तो ड्राइंग स्ट्रेस की वैल्यू हमको फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो चलिए देख लेते हैं सबसे पहले गिवन क्या है इस क्वेश्चन में. सबसे पहले गिवन है इनिशियल डायमीटर डी दिया हुआ है 10 मिलीमीटर. उसके बाद डी फाइनल डाया भी दिया हुआ है, दैट इज 7.5 मिलीमीटर. हाफ कोन एंगल अल्फा इज गिवन एज 5 डिग्री. कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन म्यू is also given between the wire and the die, this is 0.1. And the value of sigma y average, that is the average of the initial and final yield stress, sigma y average is given as 350 megapascal. In the question they have asked about drawing stress, so we have to find out sigma f. Sigma f stands for drawing stress. We have to find out the value of sigma stress in megapascal. So for finding out drawing stress in the question they have already given the equation. We just have to put the values of the given quantities in that equation. So sigma f is given as sigma y average multiplied with 1 plus 1 by mu cot alpha, the whole multiplied with 1 minus d final dia by initial dia to the power 2 mu cot alpha. Mu is the coefficient of friction, 2 mu cot alpha. So we have to put the value of each and every quantity. So sigma y average is given as 350 megapascal. 350 into 1 plus 1 by the value of mu is given as 0.1 cot. The value of alpha is also given as 5 degree, cot 5 degree. This will be cot 5 degree into 1 minus final diameter is given as 7.5 and original diameter was or initial diameter was given as 10 millimeter. 2 into value of mu is given as 0.1 cot alpha. Alpha is 5 degree. So after solving this equation by the help of calculator, we will get the value of drawing stress. So the value of drawing stress will be 316.25 megapascal. So in this question, Option C will be the correct answer for drawing stress.